Hello, good morning mga ka-STL. Yan, bigyan ulit tayo natin pang STL tips ngayong araw na ito. So, unahin natin to. Yan, Marikina, 3011, Pumpiang 35, Mountain Province, 112517, Bataan, 113, Pumpiang 3, Angeles, 316, 34, Cagayan, 22, 28, 38, Caloocan, Pumpiang 39, 19, 30, Kalinga, Pumpiang 27, saka Pumpiang 14, Zambales, 24, 5, 9, Negros, 7, 4, 13, Sorsogon, 30, 13, 19, Romblon, 9, 17, saka Pumpiang 7, Kamsur, Pumpiang 22, saka 4, 31, Benguet, Pumpiang 35, saka 35, 18, Aurora, 2, 13, 23, Ilocos Sur, 5, 6, 38, Pumpiang 38, La Union, 11, 5, 33, 36, Apayao, 26, 40, 21, Nueva Ecija, 14, 39, 11, 18, Nueva Vizcaya, Pumpiang 37, saka Pumpiang 7. Yan nga pala, sa mga hindi pa nakapalo dito sa aking YouTube channel, yan, papalo naman po. Sa yung ibang post ko po, yan, search nyo po sa YouTube, nandun po yung ating mga full video lagi ng ating STL tips. So, nasa na ba tayo? Yan, nasa Baguio na tayo. 12, 11, 35, Ifugao, Pumpiang 7, 25, 24, Abra, 8, 17, 2, Quirino, 27 Gs, Pumpiang 27, Oriental Mindoro, Gs, 30, 20, Isabela, 30, 23, 21, Occidental Mindoro, 11.5, Pumpiang 11, Tarlac, 11.24, Pumpiang 13, Capiz, 12, Gs, 6, Antique, 14, 15, 2, Aklan, 33, 13, 15, Cavite, 21, 15, 16, 12, Santiago, 19, 27, 40, 14, Olongapo, 16, 22, 36, Bulacan, 17, 27, 6, Pasay, 20, 29, 30, Quezon Province, 9, 26, 32, Pampanga, 8, 5, 7, Laguna, 19, Gs, 28, Rizal, 5, 36, 26, Batangas, 18, Gs, 2, Pasay, 20, 29, 30, Manila, 11, Pumpiang, saka Gs, 3, Ilocos Norte, 13, 14, 21, Marinduque, 32, 31, 3, Camarines Norte, 9, 4, Pumpiang 27, Puerto Princesa, 17, 5, 3, Taguig, 5, 15, 35, Palawan Province, 11, 5, 14, Parañaque, Pumpiang 38, Pumpiang 7, Naga, Gs, 17, 31, Pangasinan, 11, 21, 33, Albay, Pumpiang 39, 39, 25, Muntinlupa, 4, 12, 35, Pumpiang, Quezon City, 11, 15, 6, Catanduanes, Pumpiang 7, 14.33. And last, Las Piñas, 32.21, Pumpiang 6. Good luck mga ka-STL.